quota students or daily students that are developed or advanced than us. Now these things are not going to happen. You are going to get complete access of every certain things. Even we have digitally decorated materials also for your study purpose. So no need to bother about like different buying books and all things. One-stop solution. Once you will be in Synapse, that whatever your desired things, whether it be NEET, JEE or something else, CUT, every single solutions you are going to get in Synapse itself. Hello students, we are welcoming you for the new session like class 8, 9, 10 students in the CBSE, TBSE as well as ISC board students and ISC also the upcoming 11 students. So here we are welcoming from all of you at Synapse Institute. We are delivering physics, chemistry and biology classes with our separate batch teachers, and here we have this time like we introduced 3 sessions, 3 classes over there in 3 different places, Shankar Chowmuhani as well as in room number 3 and over number. Along with this time also we have introduced modular center also. So like we have 4 centers for the convenience of the every student's purposes. Here we are going to deal with, especially in Matrimony, we are dealing with physics, chemistry and biology classes. Edinagar road number 3, there we are dealing with physics and specifically biology. And Shankar Chowmuhani, that same way, physics, chemistry, bio and math. Even that Obernagar, physics, chemistry, bio, math. We all are dealing with this. Here we are going to find out like we already have discussed in different teachers along with students and parents. There we find out some different problems. Few teachers are delivering board-based things. Few teachers are delivering entrance-oriented things. Few teachers are delivering all like Olympiad things. But all together is very tough to get. But here Synapse is providing one-stop solution for each and every aspect. Here we are providing you boards, schools, even foundation things. There you are going to get entire comforted zones. In this, every classes after that, we are going to take tests through an MCQ way. Even after the completion of chapter, theory test for schools and boards, that will be helpful. Even after classes, we are going to provide you some notes in a Xerox way, in a digital way. In our app, the classes will be in a recorded mode. So there you will find out if any doubts, any difficulties over there, you can check it out in the app itself, that recorded class. So every way, the way exactly the barrier it was, like quota students or daily students that are developed or advanced than us, now these things are not going to happen. You are going to get complete access of every certain things. Even we have digitally decorated materials also for your study purpose. So no need to bother about like different buying books and all things. One-stop solution. Once you will be in Synapse, that whatever your desired things, whether it be NEET, JEE or something else, CUT, every single solutions you are going to get in Synapse itself. Through that you get every accesses. Whether you want to be in scientist also, whether you want to go to ISER, whether you want to do ISK, your exams, everywhere, whatever required necessary materials, topic, things is required, we are going to provide you. In that, one more thing, physics, chemistry as well as bio, every single, after like every 1 month, we are going to provide you PCB test also for class 8 onwards. Now you guys, like parents are thinking like PCB test, it is not necessary sir, exactly it will be required for your 11th and 12th only. No, things should be from very beginning. That preparation, mode of preparation is required. Competitive mentality is now that way. I'd say almost like 10 years back, that means during NEET exams itself is a big challenge. But nowadays, without NEET, you won't get medical seat itself. So preparations in different areas like Delhi, Mumbai, quota students are starting from class 6 itself. Now, here it's not 6, we are starting from 8. So that at least that culture, that environment you will get to compete yourself. So don't waste your time. If you want really one-to-one interaction, even like in small batches, even in a big batches, there you want to expose yourself, expose your knowledge, enhancing your result scores, then definitely Synapse is a solution. Don't waste your time. See you soon there in new classes. Thank you.